Okay, welcome back to Wardy's Works. This is a problem with a winch on the Defender. As you can see there on that rusty point, the switch to engage and disengage the clutch on the winch has actually snapped off. Snapped off 6 months ago. I've just been leaving it engaged and winding it out with the control, but obviously I need to disengage and engage the clutch. So what we're doing here is first removing the pin that holds the switch in to the winch. This is a Winchit 1300, £13,000 winch. Works well, but there it is pulled out. You can see the top's gone rusty because it has been like that for a while. So what we're going to do is get that piece, get the seals off it, 2 seals on the top, and we're going to put it into the vise, get a bit of light on it, put it into the vise, and then clean the top of it up with the grinder. I've got a piece of steel to put on there as a handle, just a bit of like round bar. There it is. So I'm going to weld that onto the top, just like that, so I can switch it on and off. First thing we've got to do is just clean up the top of where we're going to weld it to. So I've got a grinder. It has got a cutting disc on this, but grinding disc on there. So I'm just going to turn the top off. Make it nice and clean, get rid of all the rust, and ready to weld it to. So we'll just see where we want it to fit, just in the centre like that. The top of the thing that I'm welding it to, that engages and disengages the clutch, is domed where the old one broke off. So I'm going to mark where we want that one to sit. Just scribe down there, the top of it, where we want the new lever to sit. And then once that's done, what I'm going to do is grind a groove into the centre of it, so the lever can sit in the groove. So we'll just scribe it here, and then we'll grind a groove down the centre of it, just so it sits flush, so we can weld it nicely. So we've got that groove ground into there now. Just got to make sure that it's central. So just need to grind a little bit more on one side of it, just to make sure that it does sit in the centre. Actually, when the levers may be doing in the centre, so just engaging different places with the clutch. So we'll just grind that out, and then we can put it on and start welding it. So I did miss a bit of it while I was turning the welder on. All I've done is placed it on top and then put a quick little tack on one side of it just to hold it in position. Just clean it up. This is just a cheap welder that I'm using here, and then we're going to weld that on. Just put some weld along one side of it, clean it off, then weld the other side. It had some grease, old grease left on it, so it's actually the grease that started to smoke and set fire. But it did go out, so I had to blow it out. Really, I should have cleaned it off, I suppose, but it was just a bit of grease that was on there from when it was sitting in the winch. So we'll clean that off and then weld the other side. So that's welded and cooled off now. All I've got here is a little piece of rubber pipe that fits well over the end of the lever that I've welded on. So we'll cut that pipe to length and then push it on there, and it's just a bit nicer to turn on and off rather than a piece of cold metal. So we'll just cut it to length and stick it on the end. Just cut it to length on the end, and that's it, that's done. We can put it back into the winch. It's welded on nicely and it'll be strong, so we'll just put it back onto the winch now. Need to put the seals on there first, rubber seal in the cap, and then we can just drop it in there. Okay, I'll just put it back in and sort it out, put the screw back in, and that'll work. It's not the tidiest weld, but I'm not a professional welder, but it works. So it's nice easy fix. Please like and subscribe if you like the videos. Thank you very much.